In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop people replying to your Instagram stories. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is come over to Instagram, and once you've done that, go ahead and click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then go ahead and select settings. And then once you've selected settings, go ahead and click on privacy. And then once you've clicked on privacy, go ahead and select story. And then as you can see, there is an option for allow message replies. It is selected for everyone by default. So if you want to go ahead and turn off stories, all you need to simply go ahead and do is click on off. And then what that will do is stop people replying to your stories. So you will not have a text box at the bottom of your stories. So no one will be able to reply whether they follow you, whether they don't follow you, or anything like that. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.